Hi, today we'll be making carrot, beetroot, tomato and leek soup in two ways. First, we will pressure cook our vegetables. That is, I have the beetroot, carrot, garlic, leeks and tomatoes. What I have done to the tomatoes is, I've just removed the place where the stem grows, given it a slit once, twice this side and once this side. So it becomes easy for me to remove the skin later when I have to. To my vegetables, I'm going to add some cloves and peppercorn and cumin seeds along with some salt. Salt will be adjusting along the way as we proceed further, and water. I'm using hot water to make the process faster, cooking process faster. I'll take about 3 cups of water and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Okay, my vegetables are cooked. What I have done is strain them like so, and I have the water here, all the goodness of the water here. Now I'm going to make one soup or rasam here, rasam with the water from boiling carrots, beetroots, leeks and tomatoes. Now in this we already have a little salt. We'll adjust it a little. We'll add some salt to it. I usually add a little sugar or jaggery to my rasam, but today I'm not, because these are sweet vegetables, most of them. And here I have kokum water. I had soaked kokum in warm water that I'm adding, about 4 to 5 kokums I had soaked. Again, usually I add tamarind juice to it. I'm not adding tamarind because it will change the color. Here I have ghee heating up. To this I'm going to add some hing, lots of hing, some mustard seeds, little bit, not much. Let them crackle. A little bit of jeera. Jeera tastes really good in rasam. There, it is ready. Mustard seeds have started crackling, and to that I'm adding crushed garlic and green chilies along with some curry leaves. Let this crisp up. Here, if you want to make it spicy, you can add a little bit of red chili powder, and here I have rasam powder ready-made. I've been using ready-made rasam powder. I'm adding it to my ghee, mixing it up. Wow, the flavor of rasam. Ideal for this monsoon season. I'll turn this off. We'll add my masala. Oh, see the color. See the color of my rasam. There, our soup 1 is ready. Let it boil. We'll cover and boil it. If you like, you can add a little mashed dal, that is tur dal or moong dal to it. But because we want to make it light, I'll keep it like this. I'll add green coriander, cover it and let it simmer. Our carrot, beet, tomato leek rasam is ready. Here, it's very aromatic, very fragrant. We will serve it hot in a cup. Look at the color. Beautiful. It's not a very heavy soup. You can just enjoy sitting outside in a balcony. Just adorn it with some fresh coriander. There, our soup is ready. And while I sip this soup, I will prepare the next soup. Here I have some butter browning. It's still a little golden. It will brown very soon. The moment it turns little brown, you see that it's turning brown. The moment it turns a little more brown, I will add chopped chorizo in this. And while the rasam was being prepared, I ground to paste all the vegetables which I had caught in the sieve. Beautiful color, isn't it? There, the butter is ready. We'll add the chorizo. Just saute it a little for flavor. This will give a very nice flavor to our soup. Chorizos also have a lovely flavor. At this point, you can take out some and reserve them for garnish if you want to. Yeah. And now I will add the vegetables. Beautiful color and beautiful consistency. Look at this. It's a creamy soup for a rainy day. To this, I will add some chicken stock. Mine is homemade, so I have a little salt in it. So I'm not going to add more salt. If you want, you can add more salt in it. I have 1 cup of chicken salt or chicken stock. I'm not adding pepper either, because whatever pepper and cloves were there along with the vegetables, I ground them all. Yeah, now I'll let it simmer. Beautiful color. My soup has been simmering. Beautiful. I will now add a sprig of fresh oregano. I think that should be enough. Because it's fresh, I don't need to add more. Beautiful. This is ready to be served. I'll take a bowl. Try to dish it as carefully as possible. Chorizo and all. Lovely. I'll add some cream. There. The soup is ready. Enjoy hot with homemade breadsticks. The link and the detailed recipe for which is in the description box.